Hey guys, this is Angel bringing you another video on my high desert garden. This one is going to be another one of my do-it-yourself videos, and it's going to be on replacing the filter for the hybrid battery. I'm going to show you real quick. I'm going to make this video so short and so simple. This one is a 2021 Toyota Corolla, but I believe it's the same for the 2020, 21, and 22. If I'm not mistaken, you're going to be needing a Phillips screwdriver and a flathead screwdriver. You may not need them both, but you need to have those handy. On the passenger side, on the rear seat, on the passenger side, you're going to have this cover right here. And it's only the cover is going to be only held by one screw, which is this one right here. I already used my Phillips screwdriver to loosen it up, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it. Yeah, it's already loose, so you're gonna go just pull it off. Clip right there, and with your flathead screwdriver, just gonna pry this thing off. Don't worry about it; you're not gonna break anything. Just yank it off, and then with your fingernails, just going to remove the whole cover. See? Very super simple. It's already off. One thing I'm going to mention to you is stay away from this orange clip right here, because if you push down on it when you're removing the cover, you may hit that on accident. You're going to push down, and what that is a fuse for the hybrid system. You're not going to be able to restart your vehicle. In the event that you did that, all you gotta do is push it back up, boom, push it upwards in place, and then that's how you're gonna be able to restart your vehicle. FYI. So the filter is gonna be located right here. The cover. Filter is right here. With your fingernails, just undo it. It's so hard to do it while you're holding the phone, but if you're not recording a video like I am right now, this should take you seconds. See? Voila. It's already off. You can either just blow it with air, or you can just replace it with a new one. This one doesn't need replacement. It's nice and clear, so I'm going to put it back in. Okay, it's already back in. Now we're going to put the cover back in. The same way it came out. I'm telling you guys, these things are so very simple to do. Can't believe the dealership, they charge you so much to do this. It's so ridiculous, and that's the reason why I make these videos for you guys. Very simple. Put the clip back in, back on, press down, and voila. All right, guys, so this is all I have for you guys today on this subject. If you guys like the content, leave your likes, and also leave your comments and questions if you have any. Just drop them in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Take care now. Bye bye.